he just left. He forgot his helmet. He forgot his helmet. Oh shit. Hope he don't fall.
What's up guys? Today we're gonna learn how to change a battery on the 2017 Sportster. It should be the same from 2014 to 2019, I believe. Up to 2020. You can double check, but I'm gonna show you the tools we need. First, you're gonna need a battery, ratcheting 10 or open end, flathead to take the cover off, and of course a truly of your liking. I like black cherry. You will also need a number 10 socket with extension to remove the bottom of the battery clip holder. So first, take the flathead and we are gonna take off the seat. You can use a coin if you have a coin. Seat should slide right out, exposing the battery. And next, there's 2 tabs on the battery cover. So battery cover is just like that.
How many balls do you get?
Exposes the battery. You can see the cables.
How much do you get?
And there's a thing that holds the battery in place. It should just be a flathead to pry it open, and then battery will slide right out. Head, the clip, and then loosen the bolts and the battery will come right out. So it's a ratcheting 10. You can use the open end. Remember, 7/16 I believe is like equivalent. But yeah, remove the battery.
It should be, yeah, there should be a bolt down there.
There's a bolt right here that you should remove after you take this clip off that I didn't see earlier. Actually, I should just leave it hanging, so I have to put it back later. But the battery will slide out once you take that off. Just like that. And pretty much you do the reverse, putting the battery back in. Bottom bolt goes down here first. Clip the battery onto here, part of the negative terminals. So I go ahead and got a Harley Davidson battery. You can use any battery of choice, but I went ahead and got a factory one. And we won't forget to remove those.
Oops. My bad.
That is part of the installation as well. It's called flatulence. Alright. Positive is on the top side. Slide battery right in. This clip holds right here, but I suggest that we should put the bottom bolt back first so it doesn't fall out during reattaching the post. Whoops.
You sure? You sure about that?
Yeah. I'm sure. Don't mind my allergies. This is part of the process. It's springtime, motorcycle season, but also allergy season. Ay, sos Mario Josep. Gonna have to edit a lot of this out.
That's like the 4th time it fell.
nice and tight. Don't forget to add this clip back on. And while the battery is nice and snug, you can attach the negative and positive terminals back. Screws. The cover back on. And if you, before you want to put everything back together, including the seat and the battery cover, you can test it out. Success. That's how you change a battery on a 2017 Sportster. Video of this install battery, simple battery install.
He forgot his helmet. My man's forgot his helmet.
Feels really good.
You know what you forgot?
My helmet?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Don't forget to use your helmet if you're in California. If you're in Illinois or something, do whatever you want.